Chaos, uncertainty, and constant distractions are everyday occurrences in our modern world. The ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers a timeless pathway to self-mastery. Before exploring the tips, it's important to understand what self-mastery means in Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and resilience as a means to overcome destructive emotions. For Seneca and the Stoics, self-mastery is controlling your thoughts, emotions, and actions despite external circumstances. It's about building inner strength, resilience, and virtue, and not being influenced by fortune or others' opinions. Seneca believed true freedom and happiness come from mastering yourself, not from controlling external factors.
Embrace simplicity and frugality. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is the idea that material possessions and external luxuries are not necessary for a fulfilling life. Seneca taught simplicity and frugality, believing that true wealth comes from the mind and spirit. By letting go of material attachments, we avoid greed, envy, and dissatisfaction. Simple life lets us focus on what really matters: our character, relationships, and personal growth. Practice self-discipline and self-control. Self-discipline and self-control are essential components of Stoic self-mastery. Seneca emphasized the importance of training the mind to resist temptation, overcome obstacles, and stay focused on one's goals. Build habits like regular exercise or study to support growth. Choose long-term fulfillment over short-term pleasures. Develop a strong sense of purpose. For Seneca, living well means having a clear purpose. This involves understanding your talents, passions, and values, and aligning your actions with them. A strong sense of purpose helps you overcome life challenges and make true decisions. Seneca urged his followers to recognize their duty and responsibility, understanding that their actions affect the world. Master your emotions. Seneca believed that our emotions should not be suppressed or ignored, but understood and managed. For him, emotions were like wild rivers. They are currents unpredictable and treacherous. But with a dam of reason, one could harness these waters, channeling them into a reservoir of serenity and insight. By observing our emotions objectively and responding to them thoughtfully, we gain greater control over our inner lives and become less reactive to external events. Develop a growth mindset. Our character and abilities can be developed through practice and effort. Stoics encouraged a growth mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Embracing this idea helps us grow, change, and achieve greater self-mastery. Achieving self-mastery is a journey that lasts a lifetime. Yet Seneca and the Stoics provide valuable guidance for navigating life's ups and downs. Through simplicity, self-discipline, resilience, emotional control, and self-reflection, we can build the inner strength and wisdom for a meaningful life. By integrating these timeless principles into our daily lives, we realize that true mastery comes from within, not from trying to control external circumstances.